Hey everyone, welcome to Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property, helping you profit from UK property. Now in today's property, we're going to be looking at a 3-bedroom mid-terrace property in the northeast of England. Now we've completely finished this property. There's a couple of snags just left to do, which is going to get done today, and then we can sign off the property and hand over to our clients. But this has been fully refurbed. It's had a full new kitchen, new bathroom in, full decoration, also painting and, decoration and also the carpets as well. Let's take a look into the property, see exactly what's been done so you know exactly what you can get from your properties up in the northeast with Jenic Property. Currently we're in the front room on the ground floor, and in here, if you remember at the beginning, then you can actually have a look. Along this wall over here, we originally had the old concrete kind of fireplace. That all had to be ripped out, and when we ripped it out, we had to obviously replaster the walls in here. It's turned out great. We've got white walls, great carpets, looks really, really great, nice and fresh. Just like all our buy-to-lets, we want to make sure that we keep them very, very simple. So we attract the right tenants, but also making sure that we produce something that's future-proofed, okay? So if we do need to redecorate in the future, it's very, very simple. We know exactly what the same paint codes are. We can come in, touch it up, and do what's needed. Let's jump into the actual kitchen and have a look at the finished result there. Okay, so we're in the kitchen. The kitchen, from what you could see previously before, was a really, really dated kitchen and needed fully gutting out. So we ripped the whole kitchen out, replastered in here, and what we did was we put a new brand new kitchen in, put Howden's kitchen in as well. So they've got thicker carcasses, which means that actually they last a lot longer, a lot more hard wearing as well, which is great. What we actually do is we focus on making sure we put integrated oven and hobbing and extractor fan as well, just because we supply into a different type of markets. So that's why we put those in. Some people with their buy-to-lets, they don't actually put them in. That's really dependent on your area and your tenant profile that you're going for as well, okay? So yeah, that's everything in the kitchen, and we're really happy with the result. The clients are happy as well. Let's jump upstairs and let's have a look at what's going on up there. Okay, so currently I'm in the top of the property in the 2nd bedroom at the rear of the property. And pretty much this has been all wallpaper ripped off. We've had it skimmed upstairs as well, it's looking great, really happy with that. New carpets down, again, decoration in here as well. Now beside me is the bathroom as well. So it was an old dated bathroom. We ripped that all out. As you can see right now is that bathroom is fully refurbished. We've got a brand new bathroom in there as well. It's turned out really, really well. I'm really happy with it. So clients are happy with it as well. So we want to keep our bathrooms, again, very simple. Keep our colors in the same sort of color code. So we're trying to keep to like 3 colors maximum. So whether it's like grey carpets, white walls, and then you've got silver. Yes, it's similar to grey, but especially if you're looking at more of your flips, that's important, have a maximum of 3 colours. But for our buy-to-lets, just keep it simple. A nice system over and over again, but something that can be easily maintained as well. And that's what we focused on the actual bathroom. We changed the flooring of what we normally do. We put actually a lot more hard wearing flooring in rather than the vinyl. We found this new product that's the same sort of price as vinyl, but it's going to be a lot more hard wearing, a lot longer. It's going to last a lot longer for that maintenance. We want to chop down those maintenance costs as much as possible so we can have our investment property as profitable as possible over the coming years to make it easier for us long term. Let's jump into the front of the property and have a look at the front bedroom and obviously the 3rd bedroom as well. Okay, so we're at the front of the property now in master bedroom. To the left of me, we've got the actual single bedroom. This is typical in this area to have a bedroom of that size. It's a 3-bedroom mid-terrace, as mentioned before. Both rooms, as the back room, it's pretty much just been decorated in here. We've also been able to skim and obviously put carpets down in here. Keeping our buy-to-let simple is the aim of the game, okay? You want to take the motion out of it. You want to provide a product that can be replicated, keeping your systems in place as well, which is important, but also producing the same quality product over and over again. You want to spend your money in the right places. So if these walls didn't need skimming, we wouldn't have done it because we might as well put the money where we needs to be invested in the property to bring up that value, increase that value over time. Okay, so in this case, it was new kitchen, new bathroom. We had to put a new boiler in and also new consumer unit in this property as well. And obviously that comes with a new gas certificate for 12 months, and they'll have to get a new one every 12 months after that because that's regulation. And also new electrical safety certificate for the consumer unit and electrical work's been done. So that will be valid for the next 5 years as well. So that's the latest consumer unit, gone from an old plastic one to an actual metal one that's required for regulation now as well. Let's jump into the numbers so you can actually have a look what the clients invest in this property, purchase price, and the rent secured on this now. Okay, so this property was purchased for £46,000 in total. It did need a full refurbishment as mentioned before. And that came in total of £14,000 for the refurbishment. That included the kitchen, the bathroom, full strip out of the whole property, new doors, also the new door handles, carpets, paint, so the full decoration, also the rip out of the actual fireplace, and also skimming the whole property and making sure that we've got a full new bathroom suite and also new kitchen in there as well. So the actual rent that this client of ours is going to be getting, we've got an application in now. We've had a couple of tenants that have applied for it, and one that's we've actually looking at that's promising, which is going to be £500 per month. That's per calendar month. So which is a great yield performance on this property. Okay, so our clients has actually purchased the property cash, and then they'll be looking to refinance to pull their cash out to buy another one. Okay, so they'll pull out the deposit and they'll be looking to recycle that over time. Generally what we find is a lot of our clients buy cash and then they refinance later, so they can start building up their portfolio over time. Now there were fees involved, around about £6,000 of fees involved, including like sourcing fees, the project management fees, also stamp duty and the solicitor fees as well. So obviously those do need to be taken into consideration. Those fees may fluctuate depending on what fees you've got and what solicitors you use. But overall, you've got a great yielding property with a great return for your money as well. And your money's performing much better than sitting in the banks there. Thanks for watching this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name is Nic Clark from Jenic Property, helping you profit from UK property. Now, if you haven't got the time to actually invest in UK property, but you certainly got the capital to do so, and you want to start replacing your income one property at a time, then head to jenicproperty.com, where we can book in a free call with one of our team. Now, what you'll be able to do there is you'll be able to book in a free call. We'll be able to assess exactly what your short-term and long-term goals are and start hand-holding you through UK property. So you can carry on doing what you're great at, and you allow us to do what we're great at, which is helping you start replacing your income one property at a time through UK property. Otherwise, head to Property with Nic Clark on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and you can check up on latest refurbs that we are doing and ask any questions you have about property, and we'll be able to help you there as much as we can. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also hit that notification bell for any Refurb Wednesday updates we have every single Wednesday at 6 p.m. or check out Deals Friday at 12 p.m. every single Friday. Thanks very much for watching. My name is Nic Clark, Jenic Property, helping you profit through UK property.